Alright guys, quick back brief. I got Bree with me. So we're picking up the Camaro. I finally got my gates in there, so I'm excited. Wifey helped me out. Bree, say hello to the vlog. Alright, we're picking her up. You should hear her shortly when it gets nice and loud because they gotta pull her out. I got my wideband in there, so now I can finally add that. I've had the hardest issue trying to... Ooh! She sounds amazing. I'll finish the conversation later on the drive. Let me get my baby back. Well guys, I am inside the ride. I'm so glad to have my baby back. Let me turn the AC down. But big shout out to Rad Motorsports for helping me close that out. Let me show you guys what it looks like right here. This is the breadwinner. This is the air fuel ratio sensor. This is exactly what I need for my tunes. It is exactly what I need to get the proper stats, the proper data to send to my tuner. Faster Prom, shout out to you, Jeremy, to get this done. So I'm super excited. I don't know what green is. I don't know what bad is. I don't know what the numbers look like. But understand, after all the work I've done to the car, we did a base map tune with no information. Just a similar build he had in the system so it can run without lights and actually start and not throw me codes and be in limp mode. Now we actually have enough, everything we need to actually get stats. This is going to give us our best tune. This is going to give us our best stats. Super excited. Big shout out to Comb Performance for the initial installation on most of the majority of the parts, 90% of the work. Rad Motorsports for closing the gap. Combs is very, very, very busy, guys. They're doing huge builds out there. Check them out. Combs Performance on Instagram. You know, and I'm so last minute with anything and everything. I think money can buy and fix everything, so I try to throw money to push customers out the way, and they didn't make that happen. They said, hey, we're gonna do it the right way, and we have assignment and allotment dates and scheduled calendar dates for certain customers, and I gotta understand it and respect it. So I went to just find another shop real quick to do these basic installations. I don't know if this counts as a performance part. It's just a reader, but we can count it as a performance part. I really needed this to get my tune done so I can run this weekend. I don't care too much for the racing, guys. That's not what I'm rushing for. I care about the drivability. I went from 17 to 18 miles a gallon to now about 7 to 8 because the air fuel ratio is off. It is driving really rough. When I started, I'm getting loud pops, and it's not like a Honda Civic where it's downshifting and popping. It's giving me loud backfires when starting because of my air fuel ratio. Okay, when you tune it, the car right now is trying to compensate for what's the readings that it's getting from the headers, from the no cats. So it's burning really rich, right? It's throwing a bunch of fuel in there. I'm wasting fuel, I'm dumping fuel, and I don't need that. We don't need that. So now, trying to do it the proper way. I'm trying to do it the right way. But that's it. Short and sweet. I wanted to talk to you guys about that. I'm so excited to have that. Boom. Air fuel ratio. Yes, I got it.
Set the bar high, had to make a meal, and I did that. I'm so proud of myself. Times I forgot my friends, I admit that. And I'm sorry.
I've been busy working, I need time to myself. I'm knowing that you hurting, but I'm grinding.